We have all seen tab layout in Android. It can look like this, or maybe this. You know what I am talking about. Before going further, I want to let you know that some of the screenshots are taken from Google Materially by 3. I will add the link in the description. Today, I want to give you an overview of a new small video series on Material tab layout. Tab layout can be used in lot of different situations, like this simple one with just text, or this one with icons and text, or this one with just icons, or this one with labels aka notification counters, or maybe like this to organize content. Tab layout can be fixed like this, or you can make it scrollable like this. Let me show you a simple demonstration of how to create one. Inside this activity main.xml file, I have created a parent layout, in this case a relative layout. You can have any other layout you want. Now I have added the tab layout view. Then I added a tab. You can do it programmatically using Kotlin or Java. Then I added 2 more tabs, and this look like this. Pretty cool, right? Now let's add some more tabs and make the tab layout scrollable. It look like this. This is a scrolling tab layout. We can create a lots of different interesting stuff with tab layout. In the upcoming videos, I will show you some tips and tricks on tab layout. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching Tranquilly Coding.